Hey everyone, let's be real. Manual workflows and repetitive tasks are draining your time and energy. What if you could automate your entire business operation without touching a single line of code? Meet Diaflow, the AI-powered platform that helps you build smart workflows, AI agents, and internal tools to scale your business, all without coding. Diaflow makes automation easy with a simple no-code builder. You can create AI-powered workflows to handle tasks like data collection, customer interactions, and even email responses, all in just a few clicks. Key features of Meet Diaflow. Build AI workflows, no coding required. With Diaflow's visual builder, you can create powerful AI-driven processes to streamline your business. Use pre-built templates or customize your own automations for tasks like writing emails, scheduling appointments, or managing customer support. Secure and compliant data management. Worried about data security? Diaflow hosts all AI models on its own cloud servers, ensuring your data stays private and 100% compliant with GDPR and CCPA regulations. Connect all your favorite apps. Tired of jumping between different platforms? Diaflow lets you connect tools like Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, and even messaging apps like WhatsApp and Telegram, so everything works seamlessly in one place. Why waste time on repetitive tasks when AI can do the heavy lifting for you? With Diaflow, you can boost productivity, automate workflows, and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Ready to experience stress-free automation? Click the link below to get lifetime access to Diaflow today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more time-saving tech tips.